On Friday, Taapsee Pannu posted a cryptic tweet talking about how the starting point should be the same for every player taking part in a race. Even though Taapsee did not mention what she is referring to, but the actress did mention that the race she's talking about applies to life. A race is fair, the result is valid only if the starting point was the same for every player. If not, the comparison and the ensuing onslaught will take away the dignity of the sport eventually, tweeted the actress from the verified account. Even though Taapsee does not mention which race she is referring to, netizens assumed that she is talking about the alleged practice of nepotism in the film industry. Commenting on Taapsee's tweet, a user wrote, "She is actually talking about nepotism. And this is what is ongoing. The race haven't been fair to numerous extremely talented individuals whose starting point and the journey thereafter have been onerous and maddening. With frequent heartbreaking outcomes, the dignity of the sport has already been shattered to smithereens," commented another user. Not only starting point should be the same, but also all rules and regulations during the course of the game should be the same. Otherwise, we can't judge properly, suggested another user. On the work front, Taapsee has her kitty full of movies like Haseen Dilruba, Rashmi Rocket and Shabash Mittu.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.